Every country has its own way of expressing patriotism. We speak about our motherland, our flag, our independence, our national pride, and our willingness to protect the country we call home. But how do we express these powerful ideas in Russian? Сегодня мы изучаем русскую лексику о патриотизме. Today we are learning Russian vocabulary about patriotism. So let's get started. Поехали. Strana. Strana. Stress is on the second syllable. Strana. It means country. India. India. Stress is on the first syllable. India. India. Maya. Strana. India is my country. India Maya Strana. Flag. Flag. It means flag. Gim. Gim. It means anthem. Praznik. Praznik. Stress is on the first syllable. Praznik. It means a holiday or a celebration. Gordost. Gordost. Stress is on the first syllable. Gordost. It means pride. Nacionalny. Nacionalny. It means national. Nacionalny flag. It means national flag. Nacionalny gimn. It means national anthem. Nacionalny praznik. National holiday. Nacionalnaya гордость. It means national pride. Patriotism. Patriotism. It is patriotism. Patriotism. Patriot. Patriot. Stress is on the third syllable. Patriot. It means patriot. Narod. Narod. Stress is on the second syllable. Narod. It means people or a nation. Svoboda. Svoboda. Stress is on the second syllable. Svoboda. It means freedom. Svoboda – это ценность. Svoboda – это ценность. It means freedom is a value. Svoboda – это право каждого человека. Svoboda – это право каждого человека. It means freedom is the right of every person. Гордиться своей страной. It means to be proud of one's country. Я горжусь своей страной. I am proud of my country. Rodina. Rodina. Stress is on the first syllable. Rodina. It means motherland or homeland. India, Maya Rodina. India is my motherland. Любовь к родине. Love for one's motherland. Я люблю свою родину. It means I love my motherland. Защищать родину. It means to defend one's motherland. Мы всегда должны быть готовы защищать свою родину. Мы всегда должны быть готовы защищать свою родину. It means we must always be ready to defend our motherland. Независимость. Независимость. It means independence. Независимый. Независимый. It means independent. It is an adjective. Независимая страна. Независимая страна. It means an independent country. India независимая страна. India is an independent country. День независимости. День независимости. It means Independence Day. С днем независимости. С днем независимости. It means Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Adnan. Happy Independence Day. S dnyom neza visi masti. Jai Hind. See you soon. Paka paka.